Hello friends, today we are here to understand a new protocol, that is MQTT protocol. So MQTT protocol works on the basis of publication and subscription model. As you know, you here we have a MQTT broker, and once we have to configure the MQTT broker, then uh, there will be the two. One is the subscriber, another is the publisher. Once the publisher publish something, subscriber will get that message. So basically it's a working model where we operate on a basis of subscription and welcome to the demo session. Now we are processing for the demo. For demo, I've listed some of the steps here, which I'll be providing you as well. So first of all, you need to download our MQTT setup, so that will be working as a server, like a local host. So this is the link here. We need to install this packages. Select these packages as per your laptop bits. For me, it's a 64 bits, so I'm downloading this. You can download if it's a 32 bits. So for the faster, I have already downloaded so that I can process fast. So this is the 64 bit which I have downloaded. See, X64 is there, and now I'll install it now. So I'll run it. I think two file I have opened twice. Next. So directory is very important where it got installed. In my case, it was installed on a uh, program file, and the site was it directly installed on a C drive, program file, and mosquitto. So this is the drive where it got installed. You need to take care of where it's actually installed in your laptop. Accordingly, we have to use it. So I'm running my command prompt now. While you are running in a command prompt, run as an administrator, so that you will get full privilege. Actually, to run, to test it, full privilege is very important. If you don't have full privilege, you might face problems. So first I'll change my directory. So I'll change it to my mosquitto folder. See, now I'm on a mosquitto. So as my program was installed on this directory, so I'm using that. Now I'm executing the file I have just downloaded, and this will be working as a server for me. So this will work as a server for today, and again I'll use my second prompt. So second, okay, so second also I need as a administrator actually. So cmd run as a administrator. Okay, so I'll minimize it, I'll keep it aside, and here I'll keep it here, so it will be easier one. Okay, I'll minimize this a bit. So this is a subscriber for me. This is just a name, you don't have to use. For the understanding, I have kept the subscriber, and this is the publisher. You don't have to use it. For the easier convention to understanding only, I have used that. This is not a command actually. So from publisher, say I'm using this one. So you need to understand this is a subscriber. What we are doing is we are running mosquitto subscription mode, as we have installed in a local host. We are using local host. If you have such server in any of the server, use the IP of that server. -t sensor is my topics actually, and I'm subscribing it. So this is my subscriber, so I have used it. So icon is ideal here. So whatever the message we transfer from the publisher, it will display here. Now I'm publish something. So I'm trying to publish from here. See, mosquitto underscore publish. pub. So publishing, I'm publishing message from here. Again, I'm using the local host because our server is localhost right now. And sensor is topics. Again, I'm transferring message as temperature value is 32. So I'm published from here. Oh, sorry, I have not changed the drive, so I need to first change the drive because I have this system 32 doesn't recognizes it. So again, what I'm doing is I'm transferring my message from here to say we got sensor temperature value is 22.3. Whatever I transform here, transfer message from the publisher, it automatically that message is received by the subscriber. See, see, it's visible. Now again I'm sending another message, so it's again visible. So my second message was pressure is 1013. Now I'm sending the message, but I'm changing the topic. See, sensor is actually my topics, but I'm using sensor one. See, after changing the value sensor one, I'm not getting message here. That is because this subscriber is subscribed to sensor, and I'm trying to send message using the topics sensor one. So this subscriber is not the first subscriber is not subscribed to the topic sensor one. That's why they are not getting the message. Again, if I change the subscriber, I can again receive the message. See, I'm changing the subscriber right now. I am changing subscriber topics. I'm changing subscriber topics, and I'm again trying it. Now my subscriber topics will be sensor one, and then I'll transfer message as a sensor one. Say again, see, we can see message is visible. Again, I'll change the value. See, message is visible. Now I'll again transfer using a previous sensor value, not the sensor one, and this time this will not get the message. So by this it's confirmed that this MQTT protocols works on a publisher and subscription model where topics is very important. If the publisher and subscriber are subscribed to the particular topics, then only the subscribers get the message. Otherwise subscriber doesn't receive the message. So message topics is very important in both case. Publisher and subscriber should be aligned in the same topics. Thank you guys. By this I'm closing my demo session, and see you on the next video. If you need similar videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get the similar videos. Thank you.